Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very quick one showing some crochet braids done. Now we're using some pre-twisted hair, and the hair we're using today is the Expression Twisted Up Passion Waterwave Feet Twist 18 inches. Yes, the name is a mouthful. Passion Waterwave Feet Twist 18 inches. We use 5 bags of this in the color 1B. Each pack of hair came with 20 twists. The hair is very lightweight. It's just I would say these are spring twists with some curly goddess ends. The hair is kind of messy, but it does have its pluses and some cons. But then I would say do enjoy the video as we get started, and also please do not forget to like this video, share it if you may, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. Now, to be honest, one of the reasons why I really love this hair, that I would actually want to buy this hair and install on myself, is the fact that the twists are not uniform. Look at this one now. One is super skinny, one is big, one is medium sized. It's all gonna look like, oh, this is a nice individual install. Like, the twists are just not uniform at all. It just gives this very messy vibe, and I love that. Like, it doesn't give you the crochet look at all, and that's a major plus. As an afterthought, when I was finished, I just thought that let me throw some mousse on this twist and curls. Let me just see how much of a difference it's gonna make. And it really did make a difference. Like, see what it looks like after putting some mousse on it. The twists were kind of like thin down, so I just like laid flatter. I'm like, okay,